Hey everybody, so I'm going to start doing a series of reviews of all the investing apps that are available, say in Ireland and other EU countries. So first off, investing has become very easy in the last few years compared to say 10 years ago, maybe when you had to go through like a broker if you want to invest in shares. But now everybody can do it through apps like Revolut, Degiro, and Trading 212, and Etoro is another. In today's video, I'll be having a look at the Revolut investing section of their banking app, which is really handy for beginners. So I'll go through all the positives and negatives of it, and I'll give you a score out of 10 at the end. Okay, so first off, let's talk about the pros and cons of using the Revolut Trading app. So I'll have a look here on the phone and show you guys what it looks like. So first off, when you log in, you see your total portfolio. You'll see the total value of it and the percentage you're up or down. And then underneath it, you'll be able to see all the different stocks that you've bought. And so it's really handy. You can just drill down into each stock and see the performance over the last few days, few months, few years, and see the trend, which is really, really easy to use. It's a nice looking app in the fact that it's there's nothing fancy about it, but it's just simply laid out. Then another really good thing about it is if you want to look and drill down on your total performance, you can click this purple trend button at the top here, and that will also give you your total portfolio value, the way it's moved over the last few months. So then if you actually want to simply buy or sell a stock, so you have in this invest section here, you can actually have a look. In the invest section here, you can have a look and see what the top 50 most popular stocks are at the moment, and you can search by different industries, they make it really simple to find stocks. This is something that like trading apps like Robinhood have gotten trouble with in the US recently, so I'm not sure if this will eventually disappear here also off the Revolut Trading app, but it's really handy for the moment. You can just see what's really trending at the moment, and have a look into it yourself. Another good advantage that Revolut has is you can get 3 commission-free trades a month, which is really good. And that's just on the basic plan. If you upgrade, I think it's to the metal card, you can get unlimited free trades a month, which is obviously a big benefit if you plan on doing a lot of trades. Another thing that I really like about the app is the news section. So if you're looking at individual stock, thinking about buying it, you can just simply click on, say, Tesla here, for instance, and you can click on the news section, and that will give you all the latest news stories related to how the stock is trading from all the different top news outlets. So you're going to get good information to help you make your decisions. So that's one big plus I think about the app. So another great thing about the app is the ability to buy fractional shares. So for instance, at the moment, Amazon shares cost $3,000. So if you want to buy one whole share of Amazon, you're going to have to pay out a fair whack. But if you just want to invest a small part of your money in Amazon without buying a whole share, that's possible with Revolut. So for instance, if I just want to invest say $100 worth of my money into a stock, I can hit the buy button here and put in, say, 100, and that'll give me it's only like 3% of a share, but it doesn't stop you from investing in companies that have really high stock value. So that's really opens investing in big companies to small investors, which is something that is really good about the app. So it's quite easy as well then to get a statement on all your trading activity on the app as well. So I'll just show you what that looks like there. And there's also, if you want to actually get backup for all your trade executions, you can really go into all your transactions, and there's backup for everything in there. So that's one thing I like about it. There's a good kind of trail to everything you do, so you can keep a record of all your trades. So let's now have a look at some of the more negative aspects of using the Revolut Trading app. So there's very limited choice. If you're not a beginner and you're kind of used to trading before, it might not fulfill all your needs in the fact that it is limited enough in the choice of things that you can invest in. So really all you can do on the app is invest in US stocks. So you can't invest in any, say, Irish stocks, European stocks, and also it's only stocks, so you can't invest in ETFs or options or anything like that. So in that way it is quite limited, but so most of obviously the biggest companies in the world are American, so you still have access to a lot of good companies, and it's a great place to start if you're a beginner. Another negative on the app is, so I didn't really mention in the positives here, that you can also invest in crypto, because when you actually buy and sell crypto on the Revolut app, you don't actually physically own the crypto. So how you know that you own any crypto is you get your private keys, but one thing on Revolut, they don't give you this at all. So even you can see it in their terms and conditions, they just say they will promise to give you the financial value of whatever the crypto is, but it's very risky, I suppose, and you're kind of open to whatever Revolut decides to do in the future. So just say, for instance, the crypto price skyrockets, and Revolut start holding back money. So if you are going to do some crypto trading, I'd advise to go to someplace like Coinbase instead. That's a proper exchange. Another negative that I kind of see on the app is its financial section. So if you're analyzing a stock and you want to have a look at their performance, it's quite basic. In fact, that all you have here is basically some simple little graphs of its trend in its revenue and its trend in its, say, its assets and stuff like that. But compared to other apps where you have a lot more analysis, say, on a stock's beta and stuff like that, this really doesn't give you a whole lot of information. So I prefer to use other apps for looking at the figures and stuff like that. So, but this is, it's kind of improving. In fact, it used to be even worse than this, but lately they've tried to improve it. So hopefully so that's pretty much it in my review. And if you've noticed anything else, good or bad, about the app, let me know in the comments. Overall, I probably would give the app about a 7 out of 10, but it has a potential, I think, to maybe be like an 8 or an 8.5 if it opens up more of a choice to what you can invest in and it gets the financials kind of section a bit better. Then it will become a lot better. So it has a lot of potential, but I'd only give it about a 7 out of 10 the way it is at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and give it a subscribe for more content, and I'll be doing more reviews on the other apps soon.